Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, today the topic we are going to discuss is on page number 32 of your booklets. Open your booklets first and then understand the topic. Okay, the topic is expansion and simplification of linear algebraic expressions. Students, in the previous lesson we have learned that if there is a multiple outside of the bracket, what we have to do. Now this is the same procedure, but in the previous lesson we have just one multiple with one algebraic expression. Here we have two algebraic expressions with two multiples and we have their sum, right? Okay, now let's solve the example. Watch the example carefully so you can solve the sums yourself. Okay, what's the first thing you have to do? First, see, there is a multiple 2 outside of the bracket. When there is a multiple outside of the bracket, you all know that it's the multiple of this complete linear algebraic expression, and you have to multiply it with all the terms inside the bracket. Always use the arrows. Similarly, with this linear algebraic expression, your multiple is 4 and you have to multiply this 4 with both the terms inside the bracket, right? Now you can see there is no coefficient with the variable x, that means it's 1. So you will multiply this 2 with the coefficient of the variable, that is 1. So 2 1s are 2 and keep your variable, right? Minus, as this 2 is positive, so you will not change the sign inside the bracket, and you will multiply this 2 with this constant. 2 1s are 2, right? Plus, again you can see here we have no coefficient with the variable x, that means it's 1. So you have to multiply this 4 with this coefficient. 4 1s are 4 and you will keep this variable x, and again you have to multiply this 4 with the constant number 1, plus 4 1s are 4. Now you can see again we have 4 terms in this linear algebraic expression, and what we have to do, as we have done in the previous lessons, first we have to identify our like terms, the terms with the same variables. 2x and 4x, one pair of like terms. 2 and 4, second pair of like terms, right? So now we will combine our like terms, and these are 2x and 4x is positive, so you will write plus 4x. 2 is negative, so you will write minus 2. 4 is positive, so you will write plus 4, right? So 2x plus 4x is equal to 6x. And now again you can see 4 is positive, 2 is negative. You have two different signs, and for two different signs what you have to do? Subtract 4 minus 2, 2, and keep the sign of your greater number. What is your greater number? 4. And what's the sign of 4? Positive. So 6x plus 2 is your required answer, right? Okay, the next example. In this example you can see again we have a linear algebraic expression in the bracket and its multiple is 3. Same, here we have one more algebraic expression and its multiple is 2, right? How we will solve that? First, draw the arrows like me, so you don't forget to multiply the terms, right? You have to multiply this 3 with both the terms inside the bracket, right? Similarly, you have to multiply this 2 with both the terms inside the bracket. Now, you can see there is the coefficient 2 of the variable x, but no coefficient with y, that means it's 1. Similarly, no coefficient with x, that means it's 1. No coefficient with y, that means it's 1, right? Okay. Now let's first expand the first bracket. 3 2s are, you have to multiply this 3 with the coefficient of the variables. 3 2s are 6. x, right? Minus, you have to multiply 3 with this one because the coefficient of the variable y is 1. So 3 ones are 3y, right? Now this is a little bit different, but we have done this in the previous lessons, that if the multiple is negative, it will change the signs inside the bracket. The negative signs will be positive, minus and minus, plus. It's negative 2, so you have to change the signs inside the bracket. And 2 ones are 2. Multiply the constant with the coefficient, keep your variable and change the sign because your multiple is negative. Similarly, 2 ones are 2. Keep your variable and change the sign because your multiple is negative, so it will change the sign inside the bracket, right? Now the next thing what we have to do, we have to identify our like terms. We have to identify the like terms first, the terms with the same variable. Now you can see 6x and 2x are like terms, 3y and 2y are the like terms, right? Now what we will do, we will combine our like terms and take care of your signs. 2x is positive, so you have to write 6x plus 2x, right? Now 3y is negative, so you will write minus 3y. 2y is positive, so you will write plus 2y, right? Now simply 6x plus 2x, 8x, right? Now you can see the sign of 3 is negative. Sign of 3 is negative, but the sign of 2y is positive. So one is negative, one is positive. That means you have two different signs, and with two different signs you have to subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1y, and keep the sign of your greater number. What was the greater number? 3. So its sign is negative. Or you can write it 8x minus y because it's not compulsory to write 1 with the variable, right? Understood? Hope you have understood the procedure. If you understood the procedure now, then you can solve the task given on your booklet at page number 32, 33, 34 and 35 of your booklets, right? If you face any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay, thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.